Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Webull screener. If you're looking to find stocks that meet your specific criteria, the screener is a powerful tool that can help you streamline your search. First, log into your Webull account and navigate to the main dashboard where you can access various tools and features. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the screener option. Click on it, and you will see a set of filters that will help you narrow down your stock search. You can filter by stock type, market cap, price range, volume, and many other metrics. This is where you can tailor your search to focus on the stocks that align with your investment strategy. After selecting your desired criteria, click on the Apply button to generate your list of stocks that meet your specifications. You will notice a display of stocks that fit the filters you have set. Take your time to browse through them and examine the details that interest you, such as the price action, earnings, and other key metrics. Finally, if you find stocks you want to keep an eye on, you can easily add them to your watch list. Simply click on the stock you are interested in and select the option to add it to your watch list. By using the screener effectively, you can find investment opportunities that you might have otherwise missed. Happy investing!